Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Hope that you guys are doing great. My name is Lisady for those of you who don't know, and welcome. Please do subscribe and hit that post notifications so you can know every single time that I post. Welcome to another vlog. This is probably going to be another short vlog. Right now I just got ready. I'm going to the mall because I need a few things as always, but this time I wrote everything down. So I need setting powder, the one that I usually get from Signature Cosmetics, because I got the Essence one and then I also got the LA Girl one. It's no from me. Like, it makes me look so cakey, so white, and I just need my usual banana powder. Okay, like I have like an orange yellow undertone, so that really is perfect for me. So what else? So a setting spray, not a setting spray, a water bottle spray, because I need to take a video of me putting on a wig and then trying to remove the glue or whatever. And then I also wanted to get some cinnamon rolls for myself, like I've been craving them. And then what else? I think there's some other two things that I need. I don't know. Oh, jewelry, sorry, forgot that I need maybe like a layer set of something for an outfit that I want to try. And that's about it, you guys. That's honestly about it. And if I can get like a cute gym set, then I'm gonna get a cute gym set and call it a day. So yeah, let's go. I'm just gonna request and then we head out. Okay, let's go. This is my outfit. I am wearing this maxi midi dress with some black shoes and black biker or leather type of thing with this wig that I got from Not Me Hair. And yeah, let's request and go. Okay guys, so I'm going to Signature first. I'm not sure if I took the right entrance, but you'll see. I think it's here though, I'm not sure. My hair just decided to turn against me, but yeah, I just found spray bottles, but I'm not sure. Maybe this one. I think these are for gardening, hey? I really think these are for gardening. Let me just take and then check if there's like other or more that I don't know that's for hair. I'll see. Guys, this shop is ridiculous. If I show you, let me show you. Just look at this. I think I should get like some flowers. I've never had Cinnabon before, so this is a taste test. Thank you. guys, I found an opportunity to take pictures over here, but my small little tripod is not allowing me. Like, it's saying no. But I'm gonna try my best to at least just try. Okay, you guys, they are not allowing, so I'm literally just gonna go home because wow, I'm not gonna force something that is not here. Anyways, this is the drink that I got. It is so delicious, you guys. Lemonade, anything with lemon. Okay, he's back. First thing I made sure to do is to take out my wig because wow, these things are a handful. I'm not even kidding you guys. So I'm back. I'm just gonna enjoy my cinnamon rolls and see you guys later. Morning, guys. How you guys doing? I'm doing great. So I have an announcement. Your girl got a new camera. Okay. Are you kidding me? Can you see this? Yo. Anyways, I am officially saying goodbye to filming with my phone and complaining about the storage space. So right now, I'm actually just charging the battery, and then I am going to the Matrix to get an SD card for the camera. I'm really not sure how everything works, but yesterday I tried out the camera. It's in great condition. It's secondhand, by the way. It's in great condition, working amazingly, quality amazing, zooms in perfectly, focuses perfectly. So the only thing is that I need to get some storage, like an SD card. So right now I'm going to the Matrix to get the SD card. So can't wait to operate this bad bee. Okay, let us go. I'm not even gonna have breakfast. I literally just want to, this weekend is just I don't even know what to say. But anyways, I am on to see. I'm kidding. Let me show you my outfit. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my cap, varsity jacket that I got in the men's section, okay, and then my top from Supreme, and then I'm wearing my gym tights and my MX shoes. So that's my outfit, and let's go, you guys. Morning, guys. As always, I didn't say good night because why? Who's Lexi without ending the vlog at this point? But anyways, good morning, you guys. I'm just here to end the vlog. So thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel and watching this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Cheers. Bye. Do like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Bye.